Hey, Jimmy with Cuffin Stuff. Man, we got another good one for you today. We're gonna do Carolina country style ribs. Oh my gosh, these things are so delicious, tender. We're gonna do them on the pit barrel today. Almost automatic cooking. So stick around, you're gonna wanna see this. Hang tight. Okay, here's what I have. These are just grocery store country style ribs. All right, if you see, these have the little bone on the end. These are the loin side, the last of the ribs, okay? That's the best way I know to explain it. All right, here's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna season them. What am I gonna use? Well, okay, this is Texas Cajun, okay? This is Uncle Steve's new one. I've used it pretty good here recently, and this is about the last of it. But we've been talking about doing some ribs. All right, so let me get these seasoned up, and I'll bring you right back. Uh-oh, I hit the red line. See that red line down at the bottom? What do you do when you hit the red line? You go to www.unclesteveshake.com and you order some more quick, because that means you're just about out. All right, we've got the pit barrel up to temp. And so let's just lay these on. These already look pretty. I already know these are gonna be so good. I'm gonna leave just a little bit of room. Now I've got a piece of oak. It's not all that big. I don't need a huge piece mixed in with that charcoal in the bottom down there. So let's put the rods back in, put the top back on him, and this cook is off. Okay, we coming back in about an hour, hour and a half and check on them. We're gonna see where we are, and I'll show you the next step. All right, an hour and 10 minutes in. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, starting to get some good color. I hope you can see this. Starting to get some color on these. Oh yeah, look at that. That grill marks. All right, okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's get our pan ready, and we're gonna take them off, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. All right, so here's what's next. This is just plain store-bought apple juice. All right, so I'm gonna pour, I don't know, half a cup or so in the pan. I'm gonna take some barbecue sauce. Use whatever floats your boat. I want to get a nice little layer in here. And then let's stir it in. Now, not only am I using the apple juice to cut and thin out the barbecue sauce, but the apple juice, the acidity in the apple is going to help break these chops down. So let's start putting them in. So here we go. Now this is going to braise in this apple juice and barbecue sauce, and oh, this is, the flavor is tremendous on these. So not only does it break it down, but boy, it sure adds some good flavor. All right, one more. All right, so this is just a lid that's made to go on these half pans like this. And I'm just gonna fold him down good tight. This is going back on the pit barrel, and we're gonna let him go for at least another hour. We'll check it. We're shooting for 195 to 200, about like you do ribs and a pork butt too. So somewhere in that neighborhood. So we're gonna put them on and I'll bring you back. All right, another hour in. Let's take this out and check it and see what we've got. All right, well, let's pull this top off and see what we got here. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah. All right. Well, pull back from the bone. Oh yeah. This is braised nice. Look at that. Look how far that's pulled back from the bone right there. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these out of the pan. We're gonna transfer them over to the pit barrel. And when we do, I'll bring it back. All right, well, we're gonna take these out of the pan and we're gonna put them as carefully as we can right back down on the heat. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take some of this barbecue sauce and we're gonna glaze it over the top of all of these country style ribs here, and we're gonna brush and look. See how that shines that up? Adds that new car shine to the country style ribs. All right, next we're gonna take them and turn them over. I'm gonna do this other side right here. So let's put some barbecue sauce. Boy, this sure is nice. Have this little squeeze bottle. You can put what you want, where you want. All right, let's put this shine on this side. There we go. All right. I'm gonna put the top on. I'm not even gonna put the rods in this time. About 5 minutes. 5 minutes in. Oh yeah, look. See that little bit of char that I was talking about? That's what I wanted. Right there. Flip them over. About 2 minutes on this side. These are done. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to dive into this because I know this is going to be some good stuff. All right, let's put the top on. About 2 minutes. All right. Oh yeah. These are ready. Let's take them off. Look how pretty these are. Is that gorgeous? All right, well, we've let them rest about 10 minutes or so. Let's pick one of these up. How about this one? There you go. Is that pretty or what? I'm going in. That's the ticket. Between the two types, the steak type, country style rib that's cut off the Boston butt, or the loin type with the last of the little bones, pick the loin type. If you're going after a rib taste, that's it. Oh my goodness. That is so good. That's championship ribs right there. That's as easy and as good as you can cook it. Let's review. All we did is we seasoned it with Uncle Steve's Shake, the Texas Cajun, all the way around. We put it on for just a little over an hour, about an hour and 10 minutes. We put it in a pan with apple juice and barbecue sauce. Oh my goodness. It just cooked it so tender and juicy. We took it out of the pan. We put it back on the pit barrel. We glazed it on both sides. We let that caramelize and set up. And then my favorite part, we eat. Goodness. Thanks for hanging around. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate it. Hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have a video for you on this side, just for you. Like and subscribe to the video. Hey, doesn't cost you a thing. Until next time, hang tight.